today I'm gonna be doing get ready with me Mother's Day glow up. So y'all know Mother's Day is coming up. A little glow up. Do my makeup, my hair, my nails, my toes, and put on a cute little outfit. Even though we can't go nowhere, I still want to look cute for Mother's Day or whatever. So let's get into this video. It's really soft. It's growing back from when I cut it in February. It's growing back. And my hair is like a whole totally different color back here because I was trying to dye my hair with Dollar Tree dye, which I'm gonna fix it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss me dyeing my hair lavender. But anyway, y'all, this is what it's looking like. I hope y'all can see. But it's growing back when I cut it. Yeah. Okay, y'all, this is how my hair is looking. It's super freaking thick. But I'm gonna wrap it up so I can do my makeup. This is how it's looking. So I don't know if I'm gonna bring some over to the side. Wait, like the side. I don't know how to put this hair. I really don't even like to flat iron my hair because it's so freaking thick. And then it gets really poofy. So I don't know. I really don't know how to know. But this is what we looking like for now. It's that old school hairstyle. But yeah, I don't know how I'm doing my hair. But it's gonna poof up, but yeah. Let me wrap my hair up so I can do my makeup. Okay, y'all, so I did my eyes, I did my eyebrows. I just got to put my foundation on and my eyelashes, and I gotta find some something to put on my eyes. I don't know what color I'm gonna do, but yeah, it's so pretty. I did the cat eyes, tried to do the cat eyes. But let me finish up and I'll come back when I'm done. I was gonna like record me doing the whole thing, but my setup, y'all already know my setup be crazy. But I'm getting a tripod soon, so we're gonna be good soon, y'all. We're gonna be good. But yes, let me finish my makeup. So I decided not to do no foundation. I don't know, I just really don't feel like putting on no foundation. But I did my eyelashes. I think I look really, really pretty. So yeah, I gotta do my toes and my nails next, and then find me something to put on. And then yeah, but I think I'm gonna use this lip liner on my lips. This is LA Girl in the color Forever. It is so pretty. If you can see the color. Yeah, it is so pretty. But yeah, let me put this on my lip. Y'all know I'm doing mostly everything off camera, so I'll be back when I'm done with my lips if it come out how I want it to come out. Yeah, this is how I'm looking. Like I look cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna do my toes first, and then I'm gonna do my nails. I'm doing the acrylic nails again. Y'all know I've been obsessing with those things, so I'm gonna do them again. I think I'm doing really short this time. I don't know, but yeah, let me do my feet. Okay, y'all, so this is how I look. So I didn't have any more acrylic to do my nails, so I just painted them. They look messed up. I'm gonna do them over. That was an epic fail. This is what I have on. I got this out of top from Fashion Nova. I got these high-waisted jeans from Fashion Nova. They're cute. My hair came out cute. So yeah, my Fashion Nova. My lash coming off a little bit, y'all, but this is how I look. I feel really pretty. Yeah. This is my quarantine Mother's Day look. We can't go nowhere, so of course I don't have any shoes on. I'm putting on some house shoes. But anyways, yeah, this is my quarantine Mother's Day. Get ready with me. But yeah. I look cute. I look cute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment of any type of videos you guys want to see. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and I will see you guys in my next one.